Welcome to Spice and Pans. Subscribe to our channel for our recipes weekly.
Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Gai Lan or Chinese broccoli in two different ways. So let's start cooking. I will now show you the first way of cooking this Chinese broccoli or Gai Lan. 2 tablespoons of premium oyster sauce. Just put this into a big mixing bowl. Half a teaspoon of sugar. A little bit of sesame seed oil. Just a little bit will do to enhance the flavor. Half a cup of hot water to mix all this together. So mix them up well. And after this we are going to blanch our Gai Lan. Now we are going to blanch the Gai Lan in a pot of boiling water. Add in a little bit of salt. Drizzle in some oil also. The reason why I'm doing this is after blanching the Gai Lan, it will still remain a very vibrant green color. So I put all the Gai Lan in. I'm using 180 grams of Gai Lan over here. Just blanch them for approximately 20 seconds or so. All your desired doneness. Right, as you can see, the color is very beautiful and vibrant. Now this is done, I'll just remove this from the heat and drain the water off. And we are going to fry some garlic now. I'm still preparing the Chinese broccoli using the first method. Now heat up a pan, add in approximately 1 tablespoon of oil. I'll turn the heat down to medium or low. And we are going to fry some garlic now. I'm putting in approximately 4 cloves of garlic chopped. You can use more if you want to. Now remember to use medium low or low heat to fry this because we want the fragrance to come out and yet we don't want to burn the garlic. Remember to stir them around. Smells very fragrant now. This is an extremely easy dish to do. Actually, it's one of my wife's favorite. When you see that the garlic are starting to brown, pour in the sauce that we have made earlier on. Give it a final taste to make sure that it's savory enough for you. Wow, beautiful. So the sauce is done. I'm just going to drizzle this over the Gai Lan. Last step to do, just drizzle the sauce over this beautiful green Gai Lan. This is a super simple way to do this and it's very delicious. So I hope you try this at home. So once this is done, I'll show you the second way of preparing the Chinese broccoli or Gai Lan. Now I'm going to show you the second way to cook the Chinese broccoli or Gai Lan. Heat up a pan, add in approximately 1 tablespoon of oil. Swirl the oil around. We are going to fry ginger and garlic at low heat over here to get the fragrance out and not to burn them. 4 pieces of ginger sliced very thinly. Okay, at low heat, so you don't hear the sizzling sound, but the fragrance will slowly come out. 3 cloves of garlic chopped. Move them around. Okay, we want them to feel the heat from the oil as well as the pan. Okay, remember low heat. You can start to smell the ginger and the garlic. We will now add in oyster sauce and fry the oyster sauce together with this. This will enhance the flavor also. 1.5 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Stir them around. Add in half a tablespoon of fish sauce. Half a teaspoon of sugar. And we'll add in half a cup of water too. Half a cup of water. We can see it's starting to bubble. We'll add in the vegetables or the Gai Lan. Just put everything in. Stir them up a little bit and we'll put the cover on to steam the vegetables. So steam this to your desired doneness. Mine is about 20-25 seconds. Final step, splash in some xoxo or Chinese cooking wine. Mix them up well, and we are ready to serve. So ladies and gentlemen, today we have showed you 2 easy ways to cook Gai Lan or Chinese broccoli. Do let us know which way you prefer. We'll be waiting to hear from you. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.